For example gagitianda nje natangaza abantu seitu matari bumachoke ngate abangina batige kora abamurito batige paka kabucha oborwara bwa change. Why do I say this?
Yes.
Omongino iboreraga geitaria na bakoiborera bamanya goswena ni omongina bamuira mata ari nyangito watigo mwana obekire ga nasari nande bamubogoria negwiru barokororo mata ari bakomoetio mato mongina kaibwire natakire ko gukeri yaye yobongina bwaye.
Yes.
Nande aberange no mwana oye bono igo don't you thinking abantu baminto mbabwati amabera n'abananchi. That is wrong. That's very wrong. Immediately I come a governor in the Kisii County. Again to get korar sira. Ebi asara biribire Maria nyagitaria chi private institution chibe kiroro ronga na chi pharmacy chikonya mariogo igoro. Ba ko intaisio monto baru no yo tatake iriko barua. Yani monto ko baru because insurance akana bantu chibesa bwa. Chi nyinge. That is what we have discovered.
Much more like you want
every corner bigo korure bo 6 abantu bako baru no don't go there onyo to abantu babino bakoligereria bintu biribuanga okobarwa no ekwage kogendo was video bwena kwenda surgery
mwachubule na mano
because why there are people bakoro chibesaria because of surgery. You see ekinegento kere confirmed.
Is the governor privy to this information?
Egabana nere teko batembanya because abantu abegetari nabaye egabana chusiga abantu promote garia n'abantu tikomanya njaso ruwete osembo basi n'abayiri amone binyomba biyaye bantu muntu mogetutu tairi promotion no mbali tachiete ko abantu on meriting aki mbantu kyaba bakorataki baba chedeli tangani bakolire gas. A county is not for one community. Oko merits oko promote abantu buna bakolatati abanyagitari bali bakole chigasinga kichinyinge mbairi promotion chinasi yakole gasinge cheri promotion bona abantu baetu onyo moirio karega ari bonchari nero koegu watanga onaeto monchari promotion batomoi oyore omachoko moiri nero etu promotion lakini no moi toiri ngano mo machoke okwaetu because yoro moiri. Nepotism etasireti county yaito. People will suffer.
Thank you so much.
Na ende bali wancha sagini.
Yes.
Eke pindi eke kyare nke butororu ekyagara nje mocho kongo bogambia kero mugako yako ruoyo simba.
Yes.
Ega sinda atware ne nkongwera nsumbwe. Ebungare ko butorera mongere rinkora abantu bakonya ke bwango mbaenda to 35 years.
Igo omushimo bikirabone kero ngera tangazo
lakini mugwana ata ko recall. Because people are going to die. Abantu ngo kuvale in fact poverty is too much.
Wanchumele ina mangana yo mheshimiwa Jimmy Momanyi na bego tabwati wa matubono wese na Gatembe TV na bego into wanyene tuchwa kora due diligence na bego kubwati mangana
ya
gitari bana kwa nere tumanya na kine wikraboni ga mangana ine kamera mno mheshimiwa atebere ko ndo wikraboni ga tabwati wa matubono wese na Gatembe TV na mangana yo mheshimiwa Jimmy Momanyi togena tambe togena sensa ya kabare motu mokongwera na togena ndo sangana yemo hase.
People are suffering, my friend.
Gatembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Yake yuma mwanchuri tagendo tware ngwana ya mase muno mheshimiwa Jimmy Momanyi gukwando bora ya Serogongo ruagusia sto chakire county ya Kisii ya mase yemo nabego nindoche Joela Otiambo Ogoro kurasi samachia Kabosi. Asante sana atenga tugenda kusukibo sio yake asante sana uine akurukonga Joela Otiambo Ogoro kurasi samachiria cha Kabosi mheshimiwa pera nasole.
Yes.
Karabone watene karabone gabi ntombera ni kwa se county ya
Ntombiri bija ekyara bantu ko butakwali kabairi ebana mbabutuga nyagitari ekinegento kere known kwamanya ku create chances for your relatives and friends. That is not a good idea. Otakeire karo kwabutira omuntu ama bagari atangaswa abantu ba apply
So mheshimiwa kulingana naye witch hunt again tamana mna.
Witch hunt nero na ignorance ni competence. Maite binte bia karoko beka beyond together ebine binte bibe. Bono by now bono iga mune gavana. Kanga bono gotena gwate bya bantu ngaki by 2025 na create mabaga bana bagosukora university bakorete bintu gete binebi bagokori kuchigasi. Na retire investors bagocha ko investiga ba create more employment na solve issues cia mariogo bantu baitu mbatakeri kobuta nyagitari batakere twanyore professionals baitu mbaro abanyagitari babe motivated abantu bakubwena bwangu lakini toko genda matango tebe ngarere nyagitari eichire umatakere nyagitari ego ichora ige minute nga abantu barwarete mono na ende karo gutwara abantu abarwaire ngana bwo kugambira eitari economy okorosi genda Europe ebitanda okonyora actually very empty muntu agochorwari wa with the best medicine ogenda kaenda boy. That is what we are supposed to copy. Ono ga seito chi side source
Mheshimiwa, let me ask you a question.
Amatanga. Yani tubuate leaders wa matanga.
Tutarela sana matanga mheshimiwa. Alia sokuru dispensary nyage ya goye kinyoro kiago. Kwanya kwenye taliranda komanya
na tali rororo. Na nanye kwana neo na jagero kwana ngogembo. Ogembo dispensary is area 4 but is a pathetic situation. Very pathetic.
Who is to blame? Is it the governor ama?
It's the governor because Amalioga is that's a sub-county by the way. Igalia etakere governor arua Amalioga iwata bakubaka banyetalichi box anchi akonya abananchi. In fact yogemba bana abarwira bange bakoraranse. Insable inside the floor because facilities inchiyo.
Karo kali leo ebirangere bya mheshimiwa nero bya ntwaro che conversation ya lengo ronga mangana ringete health abantu ko ni national government na national government etanga ndi bya county from where you sit
bono devolution ye ya jetenga services chikera abananchi closer but because nature ya abantu especially omonto mumwamu taraikele bakwa kuchibesa che kobagira abantu baye ngabaye 33 billion chiche gusi moche kobageru in terms of development ne budget control of budget yo totebiringa nche sabu na akora gusi bali kubeka besa se development bono anya toliko develop your county yeah nga yoko create chibesa chigas korwa where do you create the jobs from?
But we saw mheshimiwa
no answer where do you create jobs from if you don't dispatch money which is development? If you don't nga ibono toraruse abana baito banyore chisukuru basome watebiri abantu fapalinga kwagajire 280 classes ya ECD classes igora abyagajire ose binde ni salira abantu bakwagaje chisukuru primary schools where can go muna itare I see and touch ngende nyansara I see and touch ngende ga kyogoro I see and touch but I don't see it. ECD classes chi abana bali abasinini simba kata ngera ago chakokole bikone gabano ito bakarete bintu bana baito bagotengera nechi TV. That's what he said. Intuto karanga. In fact this man is brilliant and noje nabwa the links with China na bara baise ko kole bikone video ngwata korete but I'm shocked. It's a great disappointment to the people. Lakini pinyo mogusi this is a wake up call yomogusi ainyolenga tigago tengero burangeti go sesota tengera development yo jakonya omwano tengera egento gego chakorugo kanga bona bana bakwakane rujisuku devolution ye no borwaire butwara tete ko encouragement of corruption. In fact SHWS chiwe dispatched from one center like buna US school etu abana bakwanda tabyoka ko bolyo ande school endagera no ekare keregento no kere akoragira osoma bosa the international government yaretera abantu ya ba CDF na mwajiro aba muntu mumwamu akuchiba so chikubagira abantu bande bamino aba mwamu indi you have not reached that level.
Umeshimwa in a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, ngayuko mwarete mu governor county ya Kisii.
10 being the best.
Yes.
And kumuleti na 2.
Why 2?
Because you has a development the waistara we kabesa development. You are very good in site source. Jogo it around. We are not in a campaign mood. We are creating a campaign already. Konya gogola banda marangeti bakachigo office bekire lietalia. So as development wise, anko molet number 2 as a publicity politics. Anko molet number 10. Number 10.
As publicity.
Is a politician. Yo gonya go kora publicity. Lakin development number 2.
Thank you so much. Nara kwa agro Isaac Nyaruri kurasi sama chama choka ya bro. Tanga kindly wishing Mheshimiwa Jimmy Momanyi the best and must win cause ni mtetezi wa wanyonge, mfano alipigania wakulima wa chai.
That's true.
Asante sana. Kwa Mheshimiwa kero kulira mangana manga ni kwa county ya Kisii. Actually instead of twaro bomo gusiwe kraboni gobwa bange bako papoti ngambororo krabona ubakuru and equally we seeing a lot of divisions between leaders.
Bomo mboyo. Obo mamuna liba miteti. Governors were not there. Ngakiokora do bomo governors mbayo. In fact in this case abachumbe bali barenge banyorante kunywe chai. They should involve governors. And they should initiate a program where angeli kunechi governor. Yes. Aliye bago tamboka governor is the CEO of the county. Na achabe bunare go ikapa murangeli bamu involve.
From where you sit Mheshimiwa Kraboni kero kulire bokobora obo amate bomo governor muhimen rep county ya Kisii na bomo senator. Na kioro chora bokana borobu. Is it affecting us negatively or positively? Is it impacting us in any way?
A senator is doing a perfect job. Because oversight, it means you check what the other person is doing. Como weka boronge akore muneta kere. Senator is in fact in sekomorate 9
out of 10.
Out of 10. Yeah, he's doing a great job.
Women rep.
Women rep is getting 8. He's doing very good. Yes.
Mheshimiwa, are we going to see a new political Vieka county ya Kisii coming 2027?
Yes, it is there. It's coming. It's in the pipeline. Because muna gusiti ankwanele gusi kwanza. Tumaye cha nationally kya no national rojenga bantu mbaenda tukwe banga.
Yes.
Intuwa no torigo chekwa kera party totally konyora abantu baitendagera bagonke from it. Ntunande ntoro chikongainwe boxing a bottom up. Ntoro kobe ko. Nande ntoro chikoso no ODM. Because ya karo ODM mo omanyana ODM ya etu amabaga iga heta abantu bamu ababuka. Nande mate Nyanza igebwata baruya sorry ebwata bagusi egatwara bagere egaturu na bakuria. Bona mabagayo nyabagwa. Libaga bagere bakoye oyomo inaji oyonde finance kango mukuria onye ntu twangete una bagusi kango mukuria na etu akinere kende. Bona ngitoko munyako ODM gokoraki.
But we have the deputy party leader. Mwase chama cha ODM.
Ekibono mbosa. Umaete bale batatu. Abos 10. Ekina kyo mugaba na simba kunya wate ya bantu everywhere. Asago tena am the deputy. A deputy they kungusana thing to your home. Because politics is about interest. Aeto kungusarende kuchabu mune deputy. Nkiangusa.
Mbona chole tu.
No, okay.
Yes.
Mbona chole tu. Okay, tote vai gobono yoro monyene party etatu bwati in mind. Okay, you got to expect something coming up because it was the party leader.
Maybe
deputy.
Maybe in due time.
Yeah, tia tu ale hope na bato wasemeli kiano aba Israeli ba semeli tia bandi ba tambuka. Leo kaumera kwende roche.
Mheshimiwa siasa njire chia matukabunga chia chakira kone kunwanya semega ya matanga konyora vurugunchiro ro sana sero ngura usira right now na intention error paka nona ora nyana turukara matanga squeeze I'm assuming because of what is happening.
Bolia no bochoni. Monte kare karo monta sirire tone chindagera chiaga iterwe abantu babutole bituma basaliani saurio monto mina kure. Bono lera abantu bakogoka begete tai ogoiko elinda keruchiko chinko abegeta abantu bachi kumwakera chinko bya matanga People die. Even no you work in Kobina go to Kware. Nobody will walk to God alive unless you have a living generation here. In fact, bantu batu aramasikani samatanga decency. Alimuntata giro and osaba. Ote via bantu ngaki pore nyalebe uminto na kwasirio yomino. Lakini riba gogo gororo batu bakubanga bakikoita siasa. Omonta ko imboti abantu na malakorokoro oiro tangani ororo rinde bakiko muakera jinkobi for hire. Monto buno yonje ndo jinga na bwata masikani so monto lio kure.
Mheshimiwa budget iko chatumeka karamota wanga no chikuni chichura se Orogongo. Budget iko chatumeka ne budget for instance assuming no mbunge. Budget iko tumeka na CDF assuming no magavana. Budget iko tumeka na reli. Na bugo mo MCA.
Budget yo import chikuni. Yes. No man tenga chikuni echinande ngocha koiranira chira banda bago chitrain go chibeka ama konya go chibeka ama bachira samatanga. Nande ngocha konchoka bale abantu bali omate abantu benchara. Omuntu ngocha gochare nere anyore chibesa nare ku Rwanda ande banse kukonta abantu bali babakolaki baba trained. So egente ke wena te gusira totally na mongi kijasire te bogikoyo engaki ya Kibaki. Nowe egasira pi. That is the time yasire te ense kabendonge. Bonoga ndoje nga it has become really mess. A big mess.
Is it a new normal se Orogongo?
Yeah, se kusiga. Yeah, it's a new thing. Nkia kabelo. Yeah, nkia kabelo. And especially ke yachete ngakie yongwa etinkerochi. Yeah, etinkerochi. Yachete bono. This is a new thing. It's a new thing. Keka ndarata. Eketa kere kanwe. Ekia ntuno mogusinto kinetiho. Mogusita agaitere mogusio mwaba manyinga mo especially ya matanga. Matanga na araba babasialia. So Dr. Ndali abana bandi baliete biboko bandi bagaitwa bantu bagatamana bandi bagatigo mubere nsabu which was wrong respectively batakere gosika Dr. Ndali libaga bago chikoreto frugororo gosautelia mu women rebore kugamba that was bad.
Mheshimiwa, why do we always blame Mogavana wa Orogongo samanganari?
Mogavana nje nanya kumublame. Nje na motogi mono moisonde ngateba ngaki gavana natakira be involved just komera na kwa leaders. Kana renge taya TV ya mwina. Nero takire kuba kyana re CEO. Nero kurangeliwa arangeliaba. Nje senko mo blame, senko mo blame. Nenjere yo konya kugorera abantu amarangeti. Enjere yo konya kubanga abana batangana asomo kutano anya ibinto biriatige entu amokane tikare sana. In fact bakaitera abana maega eke ndonkera baishikete bara satia no jega assembly magega abana bakaituru babantu omugaka buna aibono kwahori guno mwane ke mwerere ogoitwa ogoitwe biboko inu mogosaka sa media mwana ta una kana kwanire gento. In fact mwenda mwachek mwakora research mwenda ngaki mwaboringa abantu okonyo babekire ki umuntu kana abarwani be kanisa abantu abuna abaretire no mwana sia no batenga tero como no go saba go ke gwenge bamanyiti egento bare tubachikwogerero muntu kete.
Thank you so much. Tando sange masema Mheshimiwa Jimmy Momanyi ibo igoro morai kura Sorongora county ya Kisii nabugu mwana siasa Orogongo okwana mangana yo bokereria se Orogongo no chita gachiga ntako munyoka ke mana buga mabori na ninyaro chegeiga kundo Mheshimiwa naro kubori ngokirabono don't you think ngomo gusinto tete party ito ahead of 2027 elections?
Yes. That is the way forward. Because in that way ntoigo kobongo na induto chake ko ngakiri anya chae ebinto nkorutu biarenge twatebi ngaki naye kine kya na ine kya gusiaba na inugenda guchiaba etu akatwala actually ministers babere gocha but nowadays nothing.
Mheshimiwa, by the way tuarode nkwana matukaba ngega mangana rengeto Mheshimiwa yo kabero mo waziri bobo ndibo ime Daktari Fred Matiang'i.
Yes.
Na Kiroche, is it a rumor ma Mheshimiwa is ready for this?
Matiang'i umaete na megati structure. Matiang'i no rogeti who he is in terms of performance. Matiang'i abana abajensi bamutagete. It is not something ikebisire bamutagete. Naende noni ntuno mogusi ntutagete kwe baganga Matiang'i nga woti go setan konyete go sena konyete. Matiang'i should come up. And he's a capable person, he can read. Yeah, he's a performer. Oro jako be kwande chisukuru lero chibwate chikara chabo chisukuru bus agateba speed limit again dance matiangia sabe kiru no monto obeire in Europe na beta America for long akarete system muna somete. So that is the type of people performers. In fact, if that man becomes a president, corruption will end. Yes, we need a firm person. Anya bachumba abandi libaraba ngaini ubatali kubwati chipati eba wena te korosiri chiko omonto moneno igorari minisa gotoke koiba vamos strike fast nero korairwa rasibu forever oboibi bogosira bono lichiko Kenya alire lya banta bataka gendo ibe mboliga you will get 20 years in jail omonto iba 3 billion over scot free yeah bono muno oyoito oroje mu governor kwarangeri guna senate abagusia babono barabuonga kila kinyo monga itali una bagusi ne cheche ekero kunya kurangeriwe egabano it is the third time airi rugalia igomoroje nera yani no gochikonya komoterari there is something wrong akorete senators yebo wata bantu barueto all over those are learned people baroje binto simba korete is wrong to kunya kurangeriwe senate ama gochonya kobangai na hanga ki ande acha to te ya antonga ne bitina ba komo senate mokoyo ya goseng mumuro mwaba kora ne bitina byo bolemo na magoso na aro abagusiti kabaimoke bamanyenga ki we chose a wrong person onye nyasandi dianja akuna bantu chinkoro miake ebere atenenera atebugenda ka chakosimeke chae utontu bange kiroweke konya bantu ncheki na kinayo sabai na amasabanuka.
Thank you so much. We wish you all the best. We go kurende ego kwa mangana na mangaru kiraboniga alenge tubara iwe rogongo orwa gusiguru no mwishimwa looking at it no asa matanga alia sobondali gali kwa rochi bago endos daktari ondali ene just change ego cha somo kusiyama namna gani is it a just change mo governor fail completely gosenga ne barko ba ko mo bwana
mbago sete ekiagero ndali takane endorsement yeria mo yonda chagete como a ngakitokoro komuntu onde oyo machoke koruro seito ngakibono oyo commissioner
Nyandiricha
nero tangane ko endosi nkubona ye nyandiricha okoteba nkoligiore nando ko endosi ya opponent aka endosi yo mwako yo onde ondali tokarolendo mwendosiri but ondali tata get endorsement that time kolera renge ngina igata get pole that's condolence that is it bona alia bajiko endosi ali na magoso bakolete nande libona talio kwaro kisimbanga ngabona tu endosi riondali ngabona chikuru ndali yoirire elino boliri of the first matrix ali eba train tisimba bakamata ngakie ento totake ko chikokora ngoseti toro monto ga go chikokorwania bona simbo akire plan B Deroji. So that was a wrong thing, and that is one thing on Kolate. My attention always back on here. My Tongwai was the chief campaigner ya Simba. Timai to West in Bagonia Koramongwai. And you ever saw and Moakongai, Moivi Kiras.
Yes.
Tatake Rikoramogako, he was a perfect Gayamo campaignerity.
Yes.
Chikura Baka Kaira. This only got the Amo campaignerity. Ongwae botuko gare gote machogunga koko supportinde mugasote professor
okay
midday ote obure ngobure na etole na kuruabu that is where agorata magos eremune gavana ale ko ba farm kanga simbatali gavana ga
nganjero mushimwanza meli ejumbere ga munaro teba dietara atagata Jimmy aene bitino bwate no moske simbarati tigapi
bona bitwale bitina gaje byaki ine bitina ne byaki ndatwala na Simba nje no I'm just correcting Simba agenderere gasi akorera abana inchi yes.
Thank you so much. Apo kondo atangono Jimmy no ata no agashagwa nini mayama mangana makoleti nini nyuweti ujubana kya wata no gochi jumbe chinyike chirega mwishimwa na ndo chiteka chenda kumnyaka kema. What do you think should be done as a county yakisi?
Wane gento getakere okorwe county egente getangani to utilize resources chaba abantu be county ya Kisii properly elinde abantu banyole services.
Yes.
Chibese chigosangero nyagitari chirorokane nga chakolire gasi. Tokore abantu ba deserved promotions is a right, is not a privilege. Abantu ba promotions una ba deserved. Yeah. And it is totige nepotism. Three total value add addition ebintu byeta agriculturally tokonya abantu baito bako graduate na bange abana baito bachongore chigasi. Una bono targeted in that in the future if given a chance. Bring the opportunity okoros chitundubali coolers abantu matoka arotali ucha kuchaka koirwe style yene mesigo chinaro bikiolera olera. Chi factory chikura chiko preserve matoka no 3 months. Tuanya on in a procedural way to graduate cheto chiko kolegasio. That's all I want to do.
Are you campaigning ahead of 2027?
I'm not campaigning, yes. But I want to give my agenda. What they are doing here is wrong. What they are doing here is wrong. We want to make sure.
Yes.
Abantu baito banyole service. Una chibese chibano ba tenga CRF account you 6 billion. Why ko 6 billion ne contract ajire ma chitanya kwa kanu chibese. So that is what I want to do.
Mheshimiwa, does it mean we can from where you sit are you going for it?
I'm going for it. Believe me, I'm going for it to the end. And I know people have decided.
Yes.
They haven't decided. People needs a person or what focus or a manager. I'm not a politician, I'm a manager. Yeah, who can manage resources. Yeah, the county needs a manager. Yes.
Thank you so much. Mheshimiwa nara kuboli na libo ndiri kuboli kugatha ngambodu Mheshimiwa Jimmy. Sorry. Eraisa nyora aisa kwa golibaga oso remno morai korwa sali. Ingeo karanga kiraboni gabatanga kubatanga nonya baraibonsi asorongora gusi kone ne libanyo kukwana tu ebintu isikoga yakombanya kubatani baraibonsi. Borogongo. Why?
Batanya ko baamo.
Ino banyane kibata ko bwataniri. From nayo manyane nabega bantu bandi kibata ko bore barayaba gochamba. Tuatemire lakini bono konyora abande they are fighting. When they fight it's not practical abantu nyale ko baleta, but at the end we will come together. Doro chwe gase senate tutkiro ndoro cha elite ko magana na lengo tutkiro gora mangana kwanire tunagati abatezenga ikraboniga anda kana nyoro advisors mo magana ngo fail bana bege no hanye cabinet ya nyana bege bali monsa ko mokarega asanda kana ba ko fail. From where you sit, do you agree?
Somehow, yes, but Ingakyoko failed, and you when you applied for the job, you knew what you were going to do. Again, don't get wrong information, but in essence, again, don't get overla yobo. Gavananja tigaretinga kinke amagubocha. Igabata still politics. Dibaga when to manage the resources here. This is the place where I good planners. Now I 12 billion. What do I do with this 12 billion to generate something? That is how we think that way, we will do the best. But you know, good thinking, I've been given 12 billion. How much my wife will get? How much my cousins how much my brothers
Yes.
You are writing a death sentence to the poor people.
Thank you so much. Abego Mheshimiwa Karoli we kraboni ga comparing we county Kisii county Nyamira. County kere ahead of
Nyamira ICU by the way. Nyamira we do not talk about it. Omondo Nyamira is totally asleep. Which you are simbango jaro ata boboka ko ruchito kwa ranga ara ire aboka. Here is totally asleep. He is totally out of the county.
But we didn't see Kavekra saying, I believe was on Kavekra among the bottom, was the lowest.
According to the CRF report, I mean, according to the report in Abu the Simba, as a Koveka development, Rengonaka corrected something. Kisii County vekire na Nairobi, poor performance financially, yeah, so development wise. Yes.
Thank you so much. Buitoro sangato sanganera ya masemo Mheshimiwa Jimmy Momanyi kukwanda magana ye county ya Kisumu. Mheshimiwa, kero kule status H para chito we krabondi ga chich county ya sa ye binyoro ima chiko asi sub county Jones na we cast ward na kiora ta
nkio kora jera chi sub county.
Yes.
Kisi igao wana to chakere town ima. Chipoto ole kero omwako ya kunya kurama akora okunya kurama ngwae. No mate pare ya magega ya korokunga Park Street. Arenga maraba chipoto ulchoka. Arabete lakini ande yera ni rebono lera marabale kirase. Amaribali chipoto all everywhere. Kara chakira kisime. Chipoto ulingi kwa chikotoke town center.
Wajno Nairobi ndo rajinchiro nyinga sana.
Toyo nako na chichi kwani lebere chitari ko develop Nairobi na Kisii. They have similarity nga abarai baraire. They are asleep. Yes. One on having and one sub county inki kero. Again to kero neji posta joka Zimbabwe gete posta gang this is a county road. Amone ya MCA. I wonder monto kyoko barwanereria chipare chibakonya kobeka chiposta chinene chiko cost chibesa for nothing. Even to be when the Kori Kamari post is about 5,000 and imagine how many they are. That is the lowest minimum now there. How many they are? That is the waste of county resources. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Pare around to what? Yeah, there is nothing. Nando my honestly, also konyo para development. There is development. Abantu bansi kwagache binyonsi ebintu bakwagachaga around bya bakokore biasara bikebike. You see?
Mheshimiwa ngoro ko mata ala sinya samachi wa machoge na korujin semi chama teke ko carbon niga aggregation center ya ko roswal ga yekere.
Tinanya ko yusi achet. Na wait once but nothing is going on. Nothing.
Thank you so much.
Nothing is going on.
Nindo chama boli no ga nindo chama kori korwa sinsa macha ke ranya chiki asante sana liboli nindo roche ga no mheshimiwa
bono roche ngaki echae yoka echae abale mibakoliera the poorest seito ga Kisii yani oyo igete 25 that was the best unkige kogera ga bana ta korangeria banta baba tebinga this is a developed agriculture is a developed function inki muta konye bekira arete ji director chirichia chingibi ababoli abatabinga kolera bananchi barete nonye orthodox tea erosi win in our factories in fact ba private bakonya bataka bali rana bataka na ubaibeire nje Kenya na kumisa different and in fact na menya this go for a long and maybe that is why nkororanga abanta bange bakoiberumba nanda bataka muntu bwate besa ikoiberu muntu bwate ikoiberu
mheshimiwa kero kulira boniga status ya corruption ya county ya Kisii mo governor atenga chipa Johnson sekere otachiri Johnson pinenda tate ndo message ko ibabintu bya county so far so good
akorete perfect chipa Johnson pia siegete agachitacha akabana erwe koko miliki bono that is where the worst thing is bono corruption te yoga chi obisi na erwe ko ole corrupt bono ika kende Johnson ke bwatiku it goes to his desk giana ere paka chi focha chirichi aten 5,000 Johnson ko go chiko sign eliguarali
mheshimiwa evidence
na tajete na use na ko support muna moko igunga ke jipa bwata jete sena erwe ko de na tajeta ga chitaja no corruption in the offices Kisii county na erwe ko corruption chipara na ero kwa chikamba ne chi aye chiko kora ji project. In fact, that is very wrong. And when the participation, then go
how can you substantiate ya magana ingana even the water inga nero mokurumi na go manage projects na okara yet ndura ramontaji koma so
ono rende okay gata jete pipe nero go kwani everywhere gata jete pipe ngai chibese chiachete chiri chaka ibiru ngai chigochi and the development teyo a control of budget yo debirenga ki pesa teligo sororo that means the money is stealing. He's stealing the money.
Badiriandra Morakabe recording.
Tota ke komorore report yerueta se budget of control of budgeting aki pesa jinjiri go tubeka. In fact by now when atakubwatwa yeah because I control of budget ya when atako ECC atakere go samoni emoe abwatwe ekiabe sanchia development jinjiri ko be kwase development ngai chiachi ero tachire pipe ngairende chiwese chiachi. Can you ask that? It does not need rocket science. What ajitero banta bambali ko iba now. Ngairende chiaenda. Chitaliko be kwa development.
Mheshimiwa, you award to MCS we Karaboniga. Is the assembly doing the oversight role? Nawiga ose
ba kunyara gokora ekero ba kwenda mutuntu every day. They will only be able to do the oversight when they do it from their assembly ga. No ni weda buya. I hear ikine ntongo ngaginga and how they operate from there. Why do you as monto so okoro oversight ngakiura nya okoro oversight ose bitabu okoligere chi office. Ebintu chi project ye tu assign ti governor ngakietara akorwa. Kwende yabuone ngakietara akorwa. Bono na nyora ba MCA around ye ba chorwa. Yani ege kone da diba dia tanda use the polite word inda use ko ba describe who they are, lakini tigante wenga it was a mistake. A big mistake.
For Choromo governor
aba MCA for the oversight. In fact na when I to support you nyong kanga ki yes chibesa chia obaruane re chia chire site ya chire county. Nga kirende chibesa echi mpara ki chia roseti dispensary ki ECD classes ki. That is what we want to do. Ngitoko anga tokwanga simba to mokorere dada setumu anje tokorere. Is a man like me. I'm not in fact I can only admire a person of my opposite side from me. Omuntu ko admire munoje munokombolia maswali yale amakonguga.
Yes.
I would admire you are a brilliant person. Because you are asking questions chinkong.
Mheshimiwa, are you okay? Are you okay, sir?
Very okay. Yeah, I'm very okay.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
You know, Mheshimiwa Zosanganera Jimmy Mumanye Emase mukwandera mwana wokardia se county ya Kisii. Mheshimiwa, because of the interest of time, na wewe kwatere mbiole.
Yes.
Asante sana for making time for us, sir.
Thank you.
We really appreciate na wewe kwatika ngweta kekaya moyo for your parting shot. Looking at the camera.
Yes.
Yes.
Abantu bamintu bali mule mugwache ti program we. Onye na akune nkoro yao na akogechi am sorry. Kero tokumena na tokwana ni amagoko. Lakini onye na agotebi na pole na kuwakirisha asa birangere byao naro na batoko endera kukwana ni lakini muno mogusi tiga embwa yoko tengera burangeti tiga embwa yoko tengera libuli tiga embwa yoko serwa genda keromora omugambio ekura okorete ndagera on your kitchen tables ogo make sure mwana olio ole isiko otali konyara korwe school fees yosomire omwana ole university onyorire gasi in the next 2 years gose 1 year einero turanyare gokonya Kisii develop agenda to another level. That is all I wish you abagusi. Let this be a wake up call. Tigakonya gotera ligwa matera bara gotenga for nothing. Kobekero mole that sentence paka bacho korwaino ngaitoko tigagusi ya ito we can't speak the truth. That is what I'm telling you abagusi bamintu. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Mheshimiwa. Asante sana for making time for us this evening. Yes. Masemo sangana into pay gonto kolia samot kale chwosio in our subsequent interviews we tuchukua na mangana ya barai na we go barai na we go tuchukua a candid conversation na mangana rengete county ya Kisii na we go ense yito ya Kenya. Asante sana.
Thank you my brother Sagini.
Thank you so much. We go mulira subira chinga chao na gosangana into asengwana ya Getembe television namno botamba tabanga oborai ni go bolengete oborai na barai abiga marai ni wako balengeta mangana rengete siasa ase orogo kuri ndo kunyira boigo chine chingwana chumheshimiwa Jimmy Mumanye Masemo bukirikenda kwa nanduchko yaligiko chiase enchero yo wimekima tumana kine okarada snake tal cheto namna gani okarada snake chi para cheto namna gani boigo mana lengete viras ya ECD namna gani mune cheremo boigo yo korega sito to lengete una abasakina wiga bararia bamangana amma yatoba trane Masemo no wenga magai camera boigo re chiveti Getembe television air Kabuga. Asante sana boigo yani kengali wira wikirasi nchiringa kima kurasa nsema ya kabare studio niga kurukonga avila kariri au ombeo nerolenga sensemo ya kabere yes tutapo turiko mwe tarius abego nolenga chinseme chiga na makopio sirikar mati wali mwe smali kachi jumbe chino. Asante sana nchenkuru kwa Brian Sagini sena kuna nandage chikora ga chinsenya sikionga chinsenya senchera yo Grantoska.
Thank you.
Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamamogusi.